back to another updated chart on Aapl. I wanted to try to catch Aapl on this bounce up here. I've got this target here at 227, so I just wanted to reconfirm. I think we're still going in the right direction. Let me get out of here on the 4-hour chart real quick and see if we can read this. We've got this E, which finished this bigger triangle. Let's zoom out. Okay, so I think the turn was here on July 15th. So we came down in 3, A, B, C, to finish a minor degree A. Let's get the cycles out of the way real quick. Minors in yellow. We're going to deal with minute and minuet and sub-minuet. So there's our minor A, minor B, looking for a minor C down. Let's zoom in on the minor leg C down. Starting from the triangle E on the minuet. We got A, B, C down, sub-minuet. A, B, C, sub-minuet to make a minuet A to B. We have A down here, B's here for sub-minuet, C to make sub-minuet C and minuet C. This gives us our minute A in white. Okay, so we're looking for a minute B leg up now. This is our bounce. This is what I'm looking for, the 227 target. Computer just froze there now all of a sudden. There we go. Okay, so this is what I want to focus on here. We're going to go to the 30-minute time frame. This got real complicated here towards the end for the turn. So we've got a 1, 2, 3 up for a sub-minuet A, sub-minuet B, sub-minuet C. This gives you your minuet A. Okay, so now this is where it gets tricky. So we're looking for a minuet A and a minuet B to finish the minuet B and minute B leg up. This right here it looked like a complex correction inside of a triangle. As long as it's 3 waves inside the triangle, I'm going to count this as an E leg. So we have an A, B, C, D, and the E finished all the way down here with a complex correction leading into it. All right, so it was an easy 1, 2, 3 count up for sub-minuet A, sub-minuet B, sub-minuet C, but it got real tricky right here. But I think we're done. I think that was the bottom on the 30-minute time frame at 219.99. What was that low? 219.98. All right, so now we have a 1, 2, and I don't know where it's going yet, but this should be the uptrend going into tomorrow. The only thing I can get out of this right now is maybe the pullback. Actually, this triangle E finished here, I'm sorry, on the green candlestick. So the low there is 219.71. So let's get the pullback from that. And here's a 61.8. So maybe in a lower degree there's an ABC expanding flat. But let's get these orders out of the way real quick. My computer's acting up. So this is an A and a B on the 76.4. Not really liking that retracement. It hasn't gone along with any of the chart readings for Aapl yet. So maybe there's more to come for a little bit of a correction. I would say the 85.4 and the 90 would have been more feasible to integrate a triangle pattern. So that being said, maybe we got a triangle forming right here. So an A up, and then an A, B, C, D, E, and then we continue up to that 227 target, 227 target, sorry. 227.35 to be exact. Let's just remeasure that. And this is short term. It could go higher than that. This is just 30-minute time frame. So I got that at the 150. I think I have a price level up here. So the 161.8 actually hits right on that at 229.49. So I gave a little leeway and probably would get out at the 150% at 228.85 or the 227, somewhere around there, because a lot of indicators are saying that this is going to be a bearish turn, right? I mean, if you back out in the 4 hour, we're looking for a C leg minor degree down. Okay, so let's just take a look at that again. Yeah, so A, B, looking for a C down. So if you want to catch this bump up tomorrow, it's going to be quick. So there we are right there. And yeah. So let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else to add. But maybe as far as stop losses, okay, since maybe this might be a triangle forming, which means it's going to be drawing out, extending out into tomorrow. Well, it'll probably gap up and then come back down or something like that. So there's A, B, C, D, and then E, and then we go up from there. So let's see here. I mean, you know, okay, let's do this. See if we can do a spiral. I don't like doing these on the 30-minute time frames, just usually the daily. But let's see where we can catch it. Maybe about 2 o'clock tomorrow. Maybe this draws out and then turns up at 2 o'clock. So let's move this over. So, okay. Let's just, I don't have a lot of time here. I'm trying to get a few videos in before tomorrow, because there's going to be probably a lot of volatility going into the election. So, just, I'll try to label this real quick. A, and this is not the right color code. It should be sub-minuet. So it would be A, B, C, D, E, okay, and then from there. So I'm thinking, yeah, maybe 2 o'clock. Go by the spirals. You know, 2:30. I don't really put a lot of emphasis on these spirals on the 30-minute time frame, but I think the what to get out of it is that there may be a pop tomorrow, and I wouldn't expect it to go real high, but we might be able to make a little bit of progress out of this move tomorrow. So good luck. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.